Hello, my name is Anna. I am 7 years old. Let me tell you about my room. I have a pretty room of my own. My room is bright and cozy. There is a big window with yellow curtains. I sleep on a soft bed with pink pillows. I keep my clothes in the wardrobe. There is a small study table and a chair in my room. I put my books neatly on the bookshelf. My favorite toy is my teddy bear. I also have a doll and a soft bunny. I love to draw and color in my room. Sometimes I play tea party with my toys. There is a lamp on my table. The clock hangs on the wall. I can see trees and birds from my window. I like to keep my room neat and clean. That's all about my lovely room. I love spending time here. Thank you for listening.